properties of triangles, that is, a closed figure formed by three intersecting lines is said to be a triangle. For example, let us take three lines, that is AB, AC and BC. When these three lines are intersecting at common points, that is A, B, C, they will be forming a closed figure, right? And this figure is said to be a triangle. And the triangle has three sides, that is A, B, C, and three angles, that is 1, 2, 3. And it has three vertices that are known as A, B, C. These are vertices, and the angle inclined between two rays is known as angle. And these are sides of triangle, and tri means three. That's why we are writing three sides, three angles and three vertices. Therefore, the name derived is triangle. Now let us see the congruency of triangles. That is, for example, let us take two bangles of same type and same size and same shape and same design. Are they both similar to each other? Yes. Let us take one more example, that is, take this blue pen and at the same time one more similar pen of same color and same size, that is, let us take a practical example. Suppose let us take a blue pen, then the color is blue and the size is same, right? Let us take a similar pen having same color and same size, that is another pen, that is these two are identical in color, in size, right? And these two are in congruence to each other. This is a very good example. We can see that is these two pens are incongruent. That means same size, same shape and same color, right? And let us take another example such as photocopies, like your photo identity proofs of same size, then it will be congruent. And ATM cards which are given by the same bank will be in same. And also the ice modules of trays, means in refrigerator we will be getting ice trays, right? The molds or the parts or the cubes what will be there in ice trays will be of same size. That means they are congruent to each other. And also there are different types, like different examples in our day-to-day life we can see. And the same people, means the same identical people will be finding. And for example, take the shapes, right? Like square. See, now I have drawn three types of squares, that is A, B and C. Now, is A is congruent to B? No, because the size of A is different from the size of B square. That is, A square is smaller than B square. So, these two are not in congruent with each other. They are differing in their sizes, right? The shape is same, square shape and square shape, but the sizes are different. But see, when we compare the square A and square C, they are of having same size and of same shape. So they are incongruent to each other. And we'll take the triangles. Triangles of same size, that means same size and same angles, are known as congruent triangles. For example, take these three and these four triangles, right? Here the triangle A and triangle C and triangle D are, these three are congruent to each other because the sizes are same, that is 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 4, 5. The sides are same and the angles are also same. Therefore, they are known as congruent to each other. Now, the congruency is represented as form like a triangle QRP is in congruence with triangle ABC. The symbol for congruence is the sleeping S and two horizontal lines or equal symbol. This is known as congruency or congruent symbol. And for triangles, we have to represent congruent triangles with corresponding parts. That means CT, CP means, if suppose take RQ side, right? It is 3 centimeters, right? And if suppose AB side, it is 3 centimeters. These two sides are equal, right? So we have to represent as such that QRP and ABC only, because QR is similar to AB and RP is similar to BC and PQ is similar to CA. We have to write in this order only because these corresponding sides only are equal. So we have to represent them in such a way that these two congruent triangles having the corresponding parts as equal. We cannot represent this as triangle QRP is congruent to triangle BAC. It is wrong because the side BA is 3 centimeters and the side, we cannot represent this as CAB because the side CA is having 5 centimeters, right? And the side QR is having 3 centimeters because these two sides are different. So we cannot represent them in such a form. Let us take two triangles of having one side of equal size. That is, take a triangle ABC and a triangle PQR. Let us see that the side AB and side PQ are of same size. That is, AB is 3 centimeters and PQ is also 3 centimeters. Let us assume that these are the sides measures of two triangles and AB side is equals to PQ side. Now I have a question right now, that is these two triangles are congruent? No, because these two triangles cannot be congruent because the size of one triangle is different from the size of another triangle, right? And let us take another example that two triangles of having equal angle. That is, let us take angle ABC as 50 degrees and angle QPR as 50 degrees. But we are extending the length, that is, these two triangles are similar? Now we have taken one side as equal and one angle as equal in these two triangles, right? Now let us observe, is these two triangles are congruent to each other? No, because the size or the sides are different. That is, one side is 4 centimeters and other side is 8 centimeters. Therefore the angles also will be changing, right? These two angles will be differing and these two sides will be differing. Therefore we can conclude that for a triangle to be congruent, the criteria is two sides must be equal and the angle inclined between these two sides also should be equal. That is, here we go with the example. Taking a triangle of sides 3, 4 and 5 centimeters and another triangle of sides 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters of angle 50 degrees each. Now let us see, is these two triangles are congruent to each other? small, but the measures what I took is exactly correct. That is A and B having 3 centimeters and PQ having 3 centimeters. Now let us take two triangles of having two sides of same size and the angle included between these two sides as equal. That is AB is 3 centimeters and BC is 4 centimeters, and at the same time for another triangle, that is PQ equals to 3 centimeters and QR equals to 4 centimeters, and the angle included or inclined between ABC is 50 degrees and the angle inclined between PQR is also 50 degrees. Now let us see, is these two triangles are congruent to each other? Yes, because the two triangles are congruent because the sides are same and the angles are same. Therefore, we can say that the criteria for congruence of triangles is the two triangles are congruent to each other if two sides and the angle included between them should be of equal. Let us see the different types of congruent rules regarding the triangles. Now let us see the first congruent rule, that is SAS congruence rule, that is side angle side congruency. That is, let us take two triangles. For example, we have taken the triangle ABC and PQR. The triangle ABC is having the two sides, that is side AB and side BC of 2 centimeters and 4 centimeters respectively, and at the same time the triangle PQR also is having two sides of same size. That means that is QP is of 2 centimeters is similar to the side of the first triangle, that is AB equals to 2 centimeters, and the side 2, that is of first triangle BC is equals to 4 centimeters, and the triangle 2 also having the same size of 4 centimeters as the second side, that is QR. Now here we can see in this example that the two sides of first triangle and the two sides of the second triangle are equal, right? And when these two sides are equal, we will be saying that the point, that means when we take the exact measurement of 2 centimeters is up to here and 4 centimeters is up to here. The end points of these two rays are joined together in order to form a closed figure, that is triangle, and that joining of these two end points will result into the third side of the triangle, right? And the third side will be automatically equal for these two triangles, right? Because it is exact measurement, right? So the two end points will end at same point for two triangles, right? Therefore, the third side will be automatically equal for both the triangles. That means what I mean to say is that AC will be equal to or similar to the side PR, right? And the major point here is that when these two common sides, that means the two sides having similar sizes in two triangles, when included with the same angle, that is C, if they are included with same angle 50 degrees only, this third side will be equal, right? Otherwise, if these two angles are included, that means suppose let us take this